Picture this. The year is 1991, and a brilliant mind named James Gosling embarks on a new language project for his innovative set-top box projects. Little did he know that this initiative would transform the world of programming as we know it today. This language, initially baptized as Oak after an oak tree standing guard outside Gosling's office, went through a series of name changes including Green, before finally settling on Java, a name pulled from a list of random words. By 1995, Sun Microsystems released the first public implementation of Java, version 1.0. It came with a promise: write once, run anywhere. This philosophy provided no-cost runtimes on popular platforms, making Java an appealing choice for developers worldwide. Fast forward to November 13, 2006. Sun Microsystems took a significant leap by releasing much of Java as free and open-source software under the terms of the GNU General Public License. This decision paved the way for a broader adoption and more extensive utilization of Java across the technology landscape. The process of open-sourcing Java culminated on May 8, 2007. Sun Microsystems made the entirety of Java's core code free and open source, with the exception of a small portion of code to which Sun did not hold the copyright. To fully grasp the power of Java and its applications, you'll need a few tools. A Pentium 200 MHz computer with a minimum of 64 MB of RAM is a good starting point, although 128 MB of RAM is recommended. You'll also need an operating system, such as Linux 7.1 or Windows XP 7.8 and Java JDK 8. And don't forget a text editor. Microsoft Notepad or any other text editor will suffice. With these tools, you'll be equipped to create GUI, networking, and web applications using Java. Now you may be wondering what's coming up next. Well, the following chapter is designed to guide you on how to obtain Java and its documentation. So, gear up for an exciting journey into the world of Java, where practical video content will bring the written word to life. Stay tuned for more.